Chiliz value equivalent to $0.0772 a coin. The present reach, $0.0758. $0.0776. The earlier day close, $0.0765. The change was plus 0.0007. Plus 0.92%. Converse rate, United States dollars to CHZ. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost forecast for August 2023. To start with, cost at $0.077, greatest cost $0.081, least cost $0.064. The normal for the month $0.073. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.069. Change for August 10.4%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. First and foremost, cost at $0.069. Greatest cost $0.081. Least cost $0.058. The normal for the month $0.068. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.062. Change for September 10.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else, cost at $0.062. Most extreme cost $0.067. Least cost $0.059. The normal for the month $0.063. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.063. Change for October 1.6%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Initially cost at $0.063. Most extreme cost $0.063. Least cost $0.049. The normal for the month $0.057. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.053. Change for November 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. To start with, cost at $0.053. Greatest cost $0.053. Least cost $0.042. The normal for the month $0.048. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.045. Change for December 15.1%. Chiliz value expectation for later week and month. Bitcoin value forecast 2023. 2024 to 2026. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.045. Greatest cost $0.050. Least cost $0.044. The normal for the month $0.047. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.047. Change for January 4.4%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024. To start with, cost at $0.047. Greatest cost $0.047. Least cost $0.040. The normal for the month $0.044. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.043. Change for February 8.5%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. Before all else, cost at $0.043. Most extreme cost $0.045. Least cost $0.039. The normal for the month $0.042. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.042. Change for spring 2.3%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at $0.042. Most extreme cost $0.052. Least cost $0.042. The normal for the month $0.046. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.049. Change for April 16.7%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.049. Most extreme cost $0.049. Least cost $0.038. The normal for the month $0.044. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.041. Change for May 16.3%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.041. Most extreme cost $0.041. Least cost $0.032. The normal for the month $0.037. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.034. Change for June 17.1%. CHC to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset cost at $0.034. Most extreme cost $0.034. Least cost $0.030. The normal for the month $0.033. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.032. Change for July 5.9%. Chilliz cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $0.032. Most extreme cost $0.037. Least cost $0.032. The normal for the month $0.034. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.035. Change for August 9.4%. USD to CHC swapping scale equivalent to 12.9486 chilizes per $1. The present reach 12.8918 to 13.1897. The earlier days nearby 13.0788. Change for now 0.1302. 1.00%. United States dollars to CHC expectations for August 2023. To start with cost at 12.99 chilizes, greatest cost 15.63, least 12.35. The normal for the month 13.87. The United States dollars to CHC conjecture toward the month's end 14.49. Change for August 11.5%. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture for September 2023. Initially cost at 14.49 chilizes. Most extreme cost 17.24. Least 12.35. The normal for the month 15.05. The United States dollars to CHC conjecture toward the month's end 16.13. Change for September 11.3%. United States dollars to CHC expectations for October 2023. Before all else cost at 16.13 chilizes. Most extreme cost 16.95. Least 14.93. The normal for the month 15.97. The United States dollars to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 15.87. Change for October 1.6%. Dollar to Chilliz gauge for November 2023. In the first place cost at 15.87 chillizes. Greatest cost 20.41. Least 15.87. The normal for the month 17.76. The United States dollars to CHC figure toward the month's end 18.87. Change for November 18.9%. United States dollars to CHC expectations for December 2023. To start with cost at 18.87 chillizes. Greatest cost 23.81. Least 18.87. The normal for the month 20.94. The United States dollars to CHC conjecture toward the month's end 22.22. Change for December 17.8%. Dollar to Chilliz